When a child comes into your life, you are guaranteed a wild ride. From baby showers to naming ceremonies, it is definitely a time to rejoice and really overwhelming. Several gifts will start flowing in for the baby. Ideas on how to do the naming ceremony will be conceived, and several money will be lavished and spent in the name of the baby ceremony. No wonder so many parents are prone to financial mistakes. No investment and saving plan for their babies. Don't lose your foresight because of naming ceremony and jeopardize the future of your baby. But you don't have to with a bit of foresight and planning. You can reduce burden which will come as a result of giving the best education and enjoyment of life by making investment decisions today. It is never too soon to start putting money away for your child's education, and it is never too soon to have an investment plan for your baby. Little money today will become big one tomorrow. Did you know that 100,000 today could become 225,000 in 3 years?